Hey Gipsters, today we're going to be working on Module 4, Lesson 26, the characterization of parallel lines. Remember, vocabulary is very important throughout this module as we begin to piece together prior knowledge around geometry and equations. Think back around some things you know about parallel lines and draw an image directly below the prompt in the right hand corner of my paper. Cool. Hopefully you made an image something like this. Or your lines had some sort of a slant. Our prompt asks us to sketch the graph of the systems. We've been given two systems of linear equations that are in what form? Both of these linear equations are in slope-intercept form. Remember, the great thing about slope-intercept form is that these are easier to plot on a graph. The first known point that we always plot when we've been given an equation in slope-intercept form is our y-intercept. So I'm going to start with equation number 1, and I'm going to pull out my information over here to the left side of my paper. My y-intercept point is located at 0 and 4. I know it's a positive 4 because there's a plus sign in front of that 4. So I'm going to locate 0 and 4 on the graph. I'm going to plot that point. All right, and I'm going to use slope to move to my next point on that line. And I see that my slope is attached to the variable x. So my slope in this equation is 2/3. My slope is positive, so my slope tells me to go up 1, 2, and to the right 1, 2, 3. All right, I can now use these 2 points and take my straight edge and connect them to make a line. Go ahead and use your color pencil to graph the second equation so that you can see the differences in the line. All right, your paper should look like mine. What do you notice about the slope of each equation? I see that the slope of the equations, when I put them in a proportion and cross multiply, 4 times 3 gives me 12. 2 times 6 gives me 12. I notice that the slopes of the equations are equal. Identify the y-intercept of each of the equations. Are the y-intercept points the same or are they different? The y-intercept points are different. Cool. Let's go to problem number 2. Sketch the graphs of the system given.